I think that the uh what's the word? What is it in Welsh? Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. What is it? Have you ever forgotten the Welsh term for something? Or not been able to think of the English term, but you remember the Welsh one? Do you have trouble trying to spell things? Or do you sometimes confuse two similar terms? Don't worry, we've all been there. Children, adults, pupils, teachers, even professional translators sometimes. The next time this happens to you, take a deep breath and check out the resources provided by Bangor University's Language Technologies unit. Our team here at Bangor University works hard to develop tools to help you to overcome any linguistic barriers you may encounter. Here are some of them. If you're a teacher, parent, or pupil, one of the most important dictionaries you'll need is the Termiadur Addysg, or Terminology Dictionary for Education. This dictionary has been especially developed with educational needs in mind. It includes terms from a wide range of subjects from mathematics and physics to art and childcare. Here's the home screen. As you can see, there's a search box here that lets you look for terms. The system is bilingual, so to find a Welsh term, type in an English term and press search. We'll type in seal and search. And there you go. Now we're on the search for a term page. Here are the results. As you can see, there's more than one term that corresponds to seal in Welsh, but don't worry, here's something that will help. It's called a disambiguator. A disambiguator makes a term less ambiguous, that is, clearer. It describes the concept in more detail. You'll see that seal in English can refer to a noun, a seal, the animal, or to a verb, to seal. And the parts of speech in red help you to differentiate between them. Look, this tells us which subject the term is related to. This can be useful when you're trying to decide which term is more appropriate. This page will also show which multi-word terms contain the word seal. Let's say we need to search for a term from a particular subject, like history. We can filter the search by clicking here. Now, the only results containing the word seal that appear will be from history and archaeology. If you prefer to see the website in Welsh, there's a button here to change the language. Here's the Porth Termau, which means terminology portal. There are a lot of dictionaries available on this website. You can search for terms in Welsh or in English by typing in the search bar and pressing the search button. The results will be shown in Welsh on one side and English on the other. If the term is a noun, you'll see the plural form as well. It will also show the part of speech, that is it a verb, an adjective, or a masculine or feminine noun. You'll see which dictionary the term comes from and which subject it's relevant to. If you're not sure what the part of speech means, click on the key at the top of the page. For more information about the dictionaries that are included on this website, click on Terminology Dictionaries. If you'd rather see the website in Welsh, there's a button on the top of the page to change the language. Now, what if you're not sitting in front of a computer? No need to worry. You can take a whole shelf load of dictionaries around with you in your pocket. You don't need a phone signal or an internet connection either. With thousands of terms at your fingertips, you can be a term wizard wherever you go. Let's introduce the app Geiriaduron. That is the Dictionaries app. The app includes the information that's in the terminology portal. It's simple and fun to use. You can search in Welsh or English. Like the terminology portal, the app tells you which dictionary the word comes from. You can also filter or fine-tune your search in the app. Go to the top, click here, and you can select or deselect dictionaries before you search. You'll see that in some entries there are images and links so that you can search further on the web. For more information and to use these resources, go to termiaduradysg.org, termau.cymru, or search for App Geiriaduron on Google Play or in the App Store. We hope you'll enjoy using them.